Of our world magazine. What about going green? I think it's an interesting thing. It is interesting, but I believe many things will use this term. You are right, it is a very popular thing. What about water? What do you mean? Our world magazine will be about water. Let's start with the process of water formation. Then move on to disaster caused by water. We will also talk about the importance of water in our life. Yes. Well, I agree with the theme. It's unique. What if we meet every Sunday to make our work magazine? Nobody is busy on Sunday. Well, that's not entirely true. I have a cooking class on Sunday morning and a dancing class in the afternoon. So I'm always busy on Sunday. Oh, sorry. So, what's your suggestion about the day? What about Saturday after school? Sounds great.